Hey, what's up YouTube? Well, in this video we'll be looking at I'm just going to pretty much be giving you my thoughts on creating a video game for Android. And in my case, I'm just going to be pretty much giving you telling you about my experiences creating the a game for Android, which is a puzzle game. Alright, so my puzzle game is a pretty simple one. Users actually, there's a splash screen animation, then there is a home screen animation, and when you get through the home screen animation, then you have a trivia. Well, it's really for persons who are doing their exam, so it's really supposed to be helping them in that regards. So what did I go through? What did I experience while creating it? What did I need to know? First of all, I was using YouTube to try to find a lot of videos on gameplay, but our game design. And what I've noticed is if you're going to get into game design for Android, it's very difficult to find videos on that unless you're going to find stuff which is about Unity and using Unity game engine. In my case, Unity would be too much work for me because I didn't need um that much in terms of much power in terms of designing. I just needed some basic design. So what you're going to need if you're doing a puzzle game, you're going to need to know animation, and that's Android animation, and you're probably going to need to know some video editing skills, because in this first part of my game, what you see is a video that I've animated that starts using a media player, the Android media player inside, built-in media player. So it plays the home screen, and I've made it clickable. So pretty much that's how it is. So the first thing you'll notice is you need to know how to edit a video file, and you need to know something about graphics. So I have a graphic background, so that wasn't an issue for me. The next thing, I ignore that beeping sound, it's actually my alarm. So that's one other thing. The next thing you'll need to know is, apart from knowing Android animation, you'll need to also know a bit about how to write the game logics. Well, that goes without saying, because you need to know how to write the logics, so you must plan out. So one of the things I've used was to design my interface is Adobe XD, which is great to plan out the flow of your game, so you know exactly what flows into what. So we've covered, you need to know your animations, how to animate. You need to know how to produce the videos if your game is going to be using videos. And the language, the programming language of choice for me was Kotlin. So I used a lot of Kotlin because I found it easier to use. So pretty much that's it. So there'll be a lot of videos on this channel that would show you bit by bit how to animate, because a big part of game design is animation, then the game logics, which tells you when to trigger the animation and what to do when the user presses a button and that sort of thing. So this is just basically my experience I'm trying to share with you guys. In terms of how to do it, you can just look in the videos to come, and there'll be breaks, little bit by bit methods that I've used, as well as the links to the game will be available, everything. So if you like this video and you just want to hear my thoughts on game design, and it's not as complicated, using Unity only if you need to create a platform or something action oriented. I started with the basics, which is a puzzle game, and I recommend, if you're new to this, you start with a puzzle game as well. Alright guys, so if you like this video and you want to hear more about my thoughts, just like and subscribe and let me know how it works out for you guys. Alright, thanks. See you in the next one.